Alright boys, let's keep this intro nice, short, sweet, and simple. In this video, I was out there doing some smallmouth fishing with my boy Josh on the river, in the john boat, smacking them, getting on a sack, recording it for you guys. I really enjoyed it. I hope you guys really enjoy it. Stay tuned and enjoy. So it's like a good little spot, but under that bridge is like that bigger bridge is like the main. You got one? Oh sh! Hell yeah!
Ran upstream with it. I thought it was a rock.
I low-key was like, I low-key was watching you reel him in, and I was like, is that not a fish? Hell yeah, dude!
You literally, dude, you ran upstream so fast with it.
I was watching your rod tip, and I was like,
I thought they were rocks for a second, G.
look at him. You see? Wait, you see that fleck of blue on his cheek? Do you see that?
Yeah,
Like that shining blue. Oh, you better get him. At least the john boat floor is already wet.
First nicer one.
Hell yeah, dude.
There you go.
Catching fish, dude. It was just funny because when you reeled him in, like I was like watching your rod tip, and I was like, does he? Damn, something just popped off. I was like, does he like not have a fish on?
That's a good one. Whatever that is.
Walleye or another channel? That's a walleye. Dude, I'm telling you, we're in the walleyes. Flip it. Gee.
Yeah.
I told you, let's anchor here, bro. All right, hold on. Show them off real quick.
First good walleye of the day.
Oh, yeah.
Dropped it in the 3.5 foot. Alright guys, we're just gonna throw them back. Not keeping any today, but there you go, swims right off.
Another walleye.
Yep, probably.
Oh, it's good. It's a walleye for sure.
Yep. Oh, a little bit bigger.
Hell yeah, dude. You're just letting it sit in that current. See, this is that little deep hole. I caught one in here last time, too. That's a keeper right there. Yeah, dude. That's another good one.
Oh, yeah. Fat, too. He's
Nice.
pretty fat.
Yeah, he's for his size. Like, they're, like, good and healthy.
Oh, yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, that one's cool.
Throw him back.
Little Walter.
That's big. What is that?
Catfish.
No way. Probably.
Maybe big walleye. Loosen your drag. Loosen your drag so you don't lose them.
Might have snagged something.
It's huge, dude. It's a big ass catfish, I think.
I think so.
Hold on. All right, Josh is hooked up on a freaking tank catfish right now. Oh,
He does not want to come up.
Oh my God, he is going ape. He said that's big. Yep. You look at him fighting it. Look at him.
Hammered it, dude. He smacked it so hard.
He's gonna go. Oh yeah, you can see the catfish. Oh my God, it's huge, dude. For like a lure, like catfish, like something you catch on a lure in the river. Look at it.
Get away from the anchor line.
Put your rod tip in the water when he's under the boat. Got him. You got him. You got him. Oh, he's gonna taking off. Yeah, it's a dude, like a 6-7 pounder. Take my glasses off so I can see the screen. The polarizer doesn't let you see the lens.
He does not want to come in.
All right, let's get this fish fighting. Look at him.
Look at him.
Oh yeah.
That's a chunky one, dude.
That's a nice channel can, Gene.
Chunky monkey.
Yeah, it's like a freaking 5-pound channel can.
Hell yeah.
Look how we ate it, Gene. That's so bad. He menaced on it.
He did, gee.
He menaced on it. Look at that thing. I mean, that thing's a 6-pound channel.
Oh yeah, put up a good fight.
All right, toss his little ugly lad back. It's actually a female though, low key. You can see. Oh, okay.
Feisty. Always. Why wouldn't you want a fucking giant?
And the good thing with this rod is I can bomb this spook. Like, look at him, look at him, look at him.
Alright, I think I got it. Is that a good one?
It's a tank. You saw him waking at it?
Oh.
You saw him waking at it? I don't know how well he's hooked. Here, watch out with the net. Don't put the net out there.
That's a nice one, though.
Yeah. You saw him wake at it?
Oh, he's so fat.
Wait. All right, net him. Boom. Did you see him waking at that? It's not even that big, but God. Did you see him? That's a dang good one. He's not even long, but look at his stomach, dude.
Dude, he is built. He's tall.
I'll take that. Alright guys, I changed batteries to get that blow up for you guys. That was absolutely sick. I'm recording in 4K, so I hope I can zoom in on that for you. Let's just get the release of this little 2 1/4 real quick. Fat belly on him. Dude, he ate the spook like a menace. Throw him back. Boom.
There you go. A decent one.
Oh, he got off. It was like a 2-pounder. He just missed it again. He literally is shooting at it like a bullet. Oh, he's behind it. Saw that? See that? He is an inaccurate. Oh my god, he's like an inaccurate. Oh my god. Look at him chasing it. God. It was 2 of them. 2 of them fighting over it. They weren't even big. They were like both like, one of them was like 2.5 and one of them was like 2. Flying at it. Got him. Oh, attempt to keep him out this way. On the spool. Oh, there's a big one behind him. Oh, there's a big one behind him. Like a pounder. Oh my god, there's a baby big. Look at this, look at this, look at this. Okay. I'll get him in so he doesn't get abused. Look, that's why he hit it so. Yeah, the way he hit it was like a big one, but look how fat he is. Built, dude. That thing is built. Like, fat. Look, I got him another one. Those jumps, dude. Gee. Bro, do you have a popper? If you have a popper, I would throw that, G. Look, he just came up and munched it. Alright. Look how chunky these little bass are. Hitting the baby spook. They're literally smacking on it. They don't want no smoke. Oh. Got him.
Big one?
It's a good one. Oh, yeah.
Oh, hey. Come here. Come here, bud.
Didn't you get hit too?
I don't know, maybe.
You didn't you? I swear to God, you got smacked. Like, we almost doubled up top water right there. On that chunky little river smallie. With a freaking big belly on him. Little chunk. I know. Jesus Christ.
Nice. Another one.
He bit it on the paws. Okay. Okay. Schmally. We're towards the end of our day, folks, but with this last SD card and last battery, I will catch a couple more for you. Hopefully we can get a decent one.
He said you know. Oh, I saw that. Oh, right under us.
End of the day hustle, G. End of the day smallie grind. Oh, watch. Oh, I couldn't even. They're so mean.